The government's announcement of a state of emergency for electricity services has been met by opposition with concerns of its legality. The opposition leader was with the member for Kikori, Mark Maipakai, at the conference at the parliament. Mr. Pollier expressed concerns relating to the constitution, saying the reasons presented by the government are not sufficient to declare a state of emergency.
The fact that if there is going to be a state of emergency, that we must have 3 or 4 conditions to warrant it. First, there must be an act of war against Papua New Guinea by a foreign intrusion, or if there is any foreign intrusion, if any foreign element causing disruption to national security.
When announcing the SOE on Wednesday, Minister for Public Enterprise and State Investments Ben Maika mentioned that the NEC decided to invoke the Essential Services Act of 2002.
Last year, the National Executive Council made a decision to invoke Section 3 and 4 of the Essential Services Act and to declare electricity services, not PNG power, but electricity services throughout the country, to be declared under a state of emergency.
What the government decided is state of emergency.
SOE was unconstitutional and a hindrance to all systems of governance, even calling it a rogue decision.
We've got the police there. We've got a court of law there. We've got debt collectors there. We've got a power PNG there. We've got the administration, the CEO there. It's their job to collect it. If they cannot collect it, they can outsource the collection to professional, expert debt collectors.
We have court system. If somebody don't pay, you take him to court. You can get the court order to repay. We have not adjusted those system, and I don't see any reason why a state of emergency has been declared.
Mr. Pollier went on to question the government's motives, even speculating that it may have something to do with the 50% sale of PNG power.
I like to warn the people of this nation that we must be wary of this government. If this government is taking over an administrative function using a state of emergency, applying people who are not trained to be debt collectors to go and collect monies when the PNG Power Limited has the job and as the administrative procedures are in place to do that, the people of PNG must ask further questions. Is there something beyond that?
Delhi Bagu, National EMTV News.